Hi, Peena. Hi, Lakshmi. Peena, I'll take the video request once I finish the painting. So send me request around 6:10. Then I'll take the accept the live video request. And today we are going to talk this, and we will be doing a lot of painting. Like normally I talk and do painting, but today we are going to do a lot of painting and less talking. Hi Neha, hi Vinita. Okay, Peher, I think it's your daughter's name. Hi Peher. Hi Aisha. Okay, just wait for 2-3 minutes so that everyone can join and then we can start. And meanwhile, today is about cherry blossom. Hi Deepti. Japanese cherry blossom painting, and it will be a series of 4. तो ये फोर पेंटिंग का फर्स्ट पेंटिंग होगा. दिस विल बी द फर्स्ट पेंटिंग ऑफ 4 different paintings. And why so? Because we are going to start with the beginners, then we will go for the middle, and then we will go for the expert level. So today will be the beginners cherry blossom, Japanese cherry blossom. Hi Prija. We will start with the basic today, and we will finish it. And we'll take, do we need to use a thick sheet or a thin one? If you are going to use a lot of water, I prefer to use a thick sheet. If you don't have a thick sheet, make sure you use less amount of water. For example, I use this drawing sheet, if you can see. So I use this one. Hi Shweta Modi. Can you show what we would be painting template? Aruna, just wait for some time that everyone can join, and then I'll show you few more things. And today we will be doing first painting of our series of Japanese cherry blossom painting. And I always prefer to do at least 4 or 5 different painting in one row, so that my work will be more like a portfolio or cohesive. And today we are going to make the cherry blossom painting. So for that you need a paper. Hi Arav, hi Arisha, hi Fiona, Abhishek, everyone. So you need a A4 sheet page, or any drawing sheet, or any drawing book, or any paper will do. The only thing is your paper should not be very thin. And then you need acrylic or watercolor, paintbrush, watercolor palette. If you wanted to use earbuds, that is also fine, but we are not going to use earbuds today. That will be a second or third series painting. So today we just need basic painting supplies and a paper, and then we can start. If you have supply, if you wanted to try it with me, just give me a thumbs up so that I know that you are trying out it with me, and I can be a little slow. Just give me a thumbs up if you are going to do it with me. Oh, Manveen, I know I'm not well, but I can't do anything else. Like, can't escape it. Good job on keeping us engaged this quarantine. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for coming. Okay, I got few responses. So I just going to change the camera engine. And while I be changing the camera engine, you will not be able to see anything. So don't worry. Once I change the camera engine, it will be fine. So we will be doing today the Japanese cherry blossom painting. Okay, just give me some time so that I can just move my camera. Okay, it will take a minute or two Just give me some time so that I can like focus my camera, change the angle and everything. Here the weather is changing, so I'm not not quite well, but I'm doing my best to come online and do the stuff. So just be a little patient today because I may not be very patient. So just be a little patient with me because it will take a little time. Yeah, don't worry. It's not like you have to do it with me. You can watch it. If you have any question, you can ask all the questions. And also, if you wanted to try it out later on, that is also fine. The only thing I want from the audience or from every one of you, that at least do something in this lockdown, because if you are like at home only and like be at home for full time, it will be very negative, like you can't go out, it will be in like heighten your reaction as well. So just be a little do something while be you have time, like it will be over soon, I hope. Just give me some time because my one of the stand is a little wobbly, so it takes few extra seconds. Oops. Okay, so as you know, I always make few paintings before starting, so let me just show you. So we will be making very close up of the flower today, so that you know how it should look like from the close up, and when we do the advanced painting you will know that how many colors you can paint with the flower. And this is something we are going to do now, and you can use any of the watercolor, any acrylic color, anything is fine. It's depend on what you actually have. You don't need to buy a lot of supply, you just need to use what you have. If you have watercolor, use that. If you have acrylic color, use that. Anything is fine. If you are using acrylic color for this kind of like shadow images, mix a lot of water, so that it will look like washout or like more clear, because cherry blossom paintings are not very like have much more pigment in it. So it is like you need to do something like this, and or you can make something like this. But I actually want you to work on branches first, so that when we move for more complicated design, you like you will be easily following me, because if I start doing the advanced level painting, it will be a little hard. So today we are going to do something like this, but with much more bigger flowers, so that if kids are doing it with you, it will be much more easy for them as well, because these are very small flowers. If they will be doing it with you, it may be a little difficult for them. I'm not saying that every time it is like that, but because not everyone can paint that very well. So if it is your first time, if you are doing with kids, I'm going to do the same kind of painting, and you can follow me step by step. Once you finish one step, I'll wait for a few minutes and you can give me thumbs up, so that I know I can move forward for the next step. And also make sure uh, once you finish, just give me a thumbs up, so that I know that I can move forward, because it's not one-on-one session, I'm doing it online, so I may not be able to see all the comments, because the camera is on the other side. And also I'll be taking all the questions, so don't worry. If you have any question, make sure you post it. Once I finish the drawing or painting, then I take all the questions. So don't worry if you have if you missed anything, or if you have any question, if you stuck somewhere, don't worry about it. So as I always do, the first step for my any painting is to just put the painter's tape around the page. This is a optional step. You can strip it if you want. If you want, you can put tape just to make the border of your painting, but it's not compulsory step. So you can strip it if you want. I just give me a second so that I can just put the tape around the page. It will take like a minute or two maximum for me to just, and I am not just like कि यार बराबर से सारा पैरेलल होना चाहिए. It's not like that. Even if it is like थोड़ा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा है, that is fine. I just need a clear line at the end of my painting. That's the only reason I put it like this. But if you want, you can strip it as well. I think it's too much taking space of the page. And I use paper tape because it don't tear my drawing paper. So you can use any of the paper tape. Don't use duct tape or any cello tape on it, because then you may tore your paper, like paper फट जाएगा उससे. So just make sure you don't use any of the hard glue tape. And I'll be speaking a little less today, so don't be scared कि नहीं कुछ miss हो जाएगा. I'll share everything because I have a little less energy today, so I'll stop talking in a while. I'll just be doing it and you can follow it very easily. Now, if you want, you can actually put a base color on your paper, but for today I'm not going to put any base color on my paper. I'm just going to draw it like that only. And what you need is you need a kind of this ochre yellow. You need one red, white, green. These are the basic color you need, and if you have brown, that is a bonus point, not for me but for you. So what we are going to do is so just wait for like 2 seconds. I'll start step by step process, and also I'll be going very slow so that everyone can follow. And if you miss anything, just let me know and I'll explain it later on. Okay, so as you can see, from the previous painting, a branch will come from here. So I'm just going to make a rough lines so that I know how much I need to paint, and then on these lines I can actually put my paint on it. This seems the eraser. If you want, you can directly start making the branches, but today I feel like a lot of small kids are around, so I'm just giving them an idea to start from. This is your half of the page. Just start from somewhere on the half of the center and just go like this. Okay, so this is your branch. Now what we are going to do is, you need a round tip brush. You need a round tip brush, take your brown color. If you don't have brown color, you can use any of the darker yellow, that earthen shade of yellow. That is also good. Now we are going to paint our branches. Mostly I love to use palette because this paint is not very thin. It's almost taped up in the bottle. That's why I'm using just from it inside the bottle. If you want, you can use a palette as well. The only thing is, even if I wanted to use a palette with this kind of thick paint, I may not be able to do it. So that's why I'm using it directly from the bottle. And make sure you don't make a very straight line like this, because tree don't have any straight lines. So you make a lot of zigzag or crooked line. That is the best way to make a branch. Okay, so I'm just going to paint the whole branches very zigzaggy way. You can also finish it, and once I finish, I'll start talking again, because I wanted to save a little energy today. So I'll be talking a little less. Use any round tip paintbrush. If you want, you can make a lot of branches. If you want, you can just make few branches. It's up to you how many branches you wanted to make. And don't worry, I'll be going very slow so that everyone can follow. Just be a little patient today. That's the only thing I need from your side. कीप ऑन इन बिटवीन, बिकॉज अदरवाइज ना क्या हो रहा था, उसके रूट्स तक में कलर चला जाएगा, तो थोड़ा सा क्लीन करते रहना बीच बीच में. Okay, my branches are done. uh, my branches are done. Once you finish the branches, just give me a thumbs up so that I know you finished that step, and we can move forward with the next one. Just give me a thumbs up once you guys are finished with the tree. Deepti, Arisha, Arav, everyone finished? Okay, now. So this was the brush number 8 which I use for branches. You need a little smaller, not very pointy brush for the next one. So just see the difference a little less than this one. And you need a red color and white. What I'm going to do is I'm just taking a little of red and mixing it with the red color. Don't mix it thoroughly, just leave it like बीच बीच में white भी आता रहे. And we are going to make the 5 petal flower now. So we will start with the uh, first flower, and it will be like, and we will be making 5 petal flower for cherry blossom. Even if it look like कि यार क्या ही sponge मार दिया है, we will be doing the detailing later on. So just make 5 pattern flower, as many as you want. It can be very small, it can be very big one. So it depends on you how big or how small you want your flowers. Just make as many 5 petals flower, and then we will move for the next part. Just make as many flower as you can. Once you are done with the flower, give me a thumbs up and I'll move forward for the next step. And as you know, ट्री में सिर्फ फ्लावर नहीं होते हैं, बड्स भी होते हैं. So just make one leaf like a oval shape for the bud. Make sure you have enough paint on your brush. Okay, I am done with the flower. Once you are done, give me a thumbs up so that I can move forward for the next step. Just give me a thumbs up if you finish this. And I dictate the question later on once this is done. Finished? I'm not talking much today because I just not well, and I just need to save my energy to finish this session properly. Once you finish, just give me a thumbs up. Okay, finished? Right. So now you need a very pointy brush, and this one is 5 by 0. So any 0 point brush is fine. Just take a 0 brush. It should be very pointy so that we can put the details. Now for the details, we use this red color, so you need the same color without any white. So what we are going to do is we are just going to make a few lines in the center so that it would look like a pollen grain of the flower. And I'll show you one picture from Germany that I took it some time back, and it was so great because it's on the expert level. So we will be doing it on next few series of this, the cherry blossom. So this is what all you can do. This one we will do for the next advanced level, but because a lot of kids are following, that's why I'm just doing with the basic one for the starting, and then we will move forward for the advanced. So this is what we are planning to do next, next week, because next week will be our kids special week. Just make details on each and every bud and each and every flower. Just do the rough drawing, no need for the extra detailing or a lot of precision. Just do a rough detailing for the center of the flower. And for next week on Sunday, we will be doing a poll for kids painting, like what they wanted to do, like Peppa Pig or Doraemon, or what actually they wanted to like to do more. So we will be doing a poll on Sunday. Make sure you take that so that we know which cartoon character or which kind of painting your kids like more, because it will be much more easy to engage them with something which they actually wanted to do instead of just forcing them to do something. And now if you want, you can put a lot more detail in the painting. You can like make a small branches around it, like these all are thick branches, so you can actually go back and use the thin brush and make a lot more branches. It depends on you what you wanted to make more, like flower or the branches. uh, so this is what my finished painting is. And I actually put the tape so that I know the basic sense of the frame. Okay. Okay, just give me a second so that I can move the camera engine, and then I see the questions, comments, and on the doubts. And if you wanted to join me on Insta video, just send me request now. And this is the first painting of our cherry blossom series. There are a lot of expert level painting are also coming, so just be like with us for next few more weeks and do this series completely, because it's the basic of flower. Next I'll be doing the more detailed flower, and then we will go for the Mount Fuji scene for the painting for the expert level. Okay, if you wanted to see, this is what we done today. Okay, just let me go through the comments and let me see if I missed anything. You can use any of the appended poster, any kind of color. You just need a color. Vinu, please make something once you have the color and share with us. Poster color, any acrylic color, water-based color, watercolor, anything is fine. Thank you, Veena. Just let me see the comments on Insta. No. Any kind of watercolor you can use. I'll be going like on weekend to buy new watercolor so that you can see how the watercolor effect will look like. There were some leaves also in the original painting you showed us. Mm, which original painting? I don't know what you are talking about. No, there are no leaves for this one because in spring time there are a lot of just flower on the tree. So this is the basic one. If I put a lot of details like roots or sky or mountain or ice or snow or anything, it would be a little difficult for kids to follow and to finish it in half an hour. That's why we are doing it step by step. So this is the first painting where you learn how to make branches and how you can do the flower. Once you can practice it, we can move forward for the next one. Like for example, a tree, and in tree you can learn how to make leaves, how to make roots, how your grass should look like. So it will be a step by step process. That's the only reason I said in earlier that it's a first painting of a series of Japanese cherry blossom. It's not the last one or it's not the only one. We will be doing a series of Japanese cherry blossom step by step. And next week we will be doing the satin painting of this cherry blossom Japanese art. So you can join later and learn how to make leaves and other stuff then. Priyatha just joined. Have I missed anything? I don't know when you joined, but you can go back and watch the session later on. Is that a part of cherry blossom? Yes, it's a branch of a cherry blossom. We didn't made a full tree today because I wanted to start from the starting because we are getting a lot of questions that the kids are doing with us and they may not be able to follow us. So it's better if we go from one zero level to expert level. It would be much more easy for them and everyone to join. Okay, let's see. If you wanted to talk to me now, you can send me video request now because after that I'll be finishing the session. About roots, actually I was talking about my paintbrush. If you don't clean your paintbrush earlier, like after finishing the painting, you may waste your paintbrush. And I always keep my waste one paintbrush with me so that it can remind me कि यार अगर नहीं वॉश करोगे तो सबका यही हाल होने वाला है. So it's much better if you can wash it as soon as possible after finishing the painting. And you can ruin a lot of nice brush if you don't clean it properly. So it's better if you can like finish it. um okay, Petra, waiting for you. Thanks. Can we use thumb printing technique for making flower? These flower, like I have A5 sheet, so these are very small flowers, so I can't use my thumb or fingers to make flower. But if you want, you can try it out and send the pictures to us. We also see how it will look like. Murakami flower with acrylic color. Definitely, you can do any kind of flower with the acrylic color. It's depends how much painting you know and how comfortable are you with the brushes. It depends on that. And because it's a series of first painting of the series, we will be doing a different kind of flower later on as well. Favicon painting. If you can send me, Ankita, if you can send me a reference image, what actually you want it, a favicon painting, what you mean by that, it would be much more easy for me to understand and do it in later on sessions, because there are a lot of different painting with the same name. If you search like Japanese cherry blossom, you will see a lot of different pictures with different details and different background. So if you can send me reference images, it would be much more easy for me what you mean by favicon painting. Acrylic color better or poster color? Any color is fine. It depends on what you are using. Like for paper, I prefer using acrylic color instead of poster color. On canvas sheet, I prefer to use poster color. It's fabulous. Thanks. Done for today? Yes, done for we are done for today. It's different. Usually do a full tree, a branches, eyes. So it's the first painting of the series. I am again saying the this again, so that you understood this is not the first or last painting. It's the first painting of the series. We will be doing much more detailing later on. You need to first do the practice with the basic so that we will move for the next level. Tarot for Rashma Bhabi. Can I request the camera to face down towards the table rather than teacher's face? It's that's easy to see because we are done with the painting, and I am taking the question, and it would be much more easy for me to see it on my face instead of just doing it on like on a table. So that's the only reason you are seeing my face. If you want, you can skip that part. We are already done with the painting. Vinita Chaudhary, please rise. You have to be a little patient with me. I am taking all the questions and I am doing my best to answer each and every query. You have to wait for some time because there are a lot of comments. Just wait for some time so that I can see. And just wait till I come to the comment. I will not miss anything. Even if I miss anything, I am going to answer everything later on as well. So just be a little patient with me. So what is there for tomorrow? Tomorrow will be gift box making. A special artist is coming for tomorrow and she will be showing you how to make gift boxes and with the papers and other stuff, and how to make it, how to use it, because these are a lot of painting and stuff we are making. If you want, you can gift it to your family and friends and your relatives. So she will be showing you how to make gift boxes. For that you need a scissor, you need basic stationery, you need kind of ribbons or thread, but you just need paper, scissor, basic stationery. That is all you need. So don't worry. Tomorrow I not be there because I am not well, so I am taking few days off. And tomorrow will be gift wrapping. Saturday is a surprise guest artist is coming. On Sunday, Sarthak is coming again with the Wali painting. So all 3 days are taken care of. And for next week, I'll be posting a poll, and Manveen will be doing the poll later on Insta. So you can take it, and if you want a specific kind of drawing for your kid, like for example, I am not very sure if your kid like Peppa Pig or Doraemon or maybe Kitty or something like those. So if you want, you can like take the poll and let me know which kind of character your kids like more, so that I know and do that kind of painting only. And I know a lot of kids like different kind of characters, and I don't know anyone personally, so it's much more easy for me to organize a session if you take the poll on Sunday. Okay, that is all for today. Any other question? And don't forget to send me pictures what you have made today or earlier after watching the tutorials. If you missed anything, you can go back on Facebook, because on Facebook the video will be there for forever. On Insta story it will be there for 24 hours, and every night our team is going to upload the video on YouTube, so that you can go there and watch at your own pace. Like फेसबुक पे क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है ना, उसका पेस आप ऊपर नीचे नहीं कर सकते. यूट्यूब पे यू कैन स्लो इट डाउन, so you can watch it later on Facebook, sorry, YouTube as well. Please send any of your post, word, pictures on Hobbyna Box. And I always say it, send us pictures on Hobbyna Box's page. I never said to send me anything personally, because I don't check my personal pages and profile a lot. So veg painting, can you guide me regarding doing it on fabric? So you can do the same thing on fabric with the vegetarian dot printing. The only thing is fabric is very loose. I don't know where I can show you. So fabric is very loose. You need to tape it on your table, so it will be much more easy for you to paint. Where can I send you messages? You can search on Facebook or Insta Hobbyna Boxes page and send us messages there, and we will answer all the questions and query to your like wherever you stop. You can send us pictures, and make sure you send us reference images. So I am going to stop now today, and see you guys later on. Bye bye.